Sound, the product of a symphony of compression waves traveling through the air, which produces music. The musical industry is ripe with instruments and devices that can play and tune desired musical notes.
Our team, Team Tuners, introduces you to the first standalone handheld musical aid that utilizes the fast Fourier transform to accurately tune the fundamental and overtone frequencies of notes played by musical instruments.
The FFT tuner is a battery-operated device that picks up notes from an instrument and can accurately display to the user the intonation of the note in real time.
The musical device market is filled with rudimentary tuners or mobile applications that lack broad frequency bandwidths, are limited by hardware and software constraints, or are not designed to deliver overtone intonation.
Our team divided each feature of the device into 4 main subsystems, including signal analysis, analog to digital processing, user interface, and power regulation.
Hi, my name is Stephen Hammond and I was in charge of the analog to digital subsystem. This system takes the audible signal that you hear and converts it to a digital array of information that can be processed to determine what notes are present. The system starts with a microphone that picks up the audio signal that is then converted into a voltage waveform by the microphone. The waveform is then put through a filter to remove any noise that may have been present but unnecessary. The waveform is then sent to the ADC, which is programmed to convert the waveform into an array of data points.
Hi, I'm Ben Ledesma, and I am in charge of the signal processing subsystem. So this subsystem takes data from the ADC subsystem, takes a fast Fourier transform, looks at the largest 2 frequencies, that's your fundamental and overtone frequencies, and then performs some tuning calculations based on that to give you a number of cents sharp or flat, the letter, note of the name, and the octave.
My name is Timothy Huang, and I designed the user interface of the device. The user interface allows the user to be able to view diagnostic data through the LCD display, to view the fundamental and overtone frequency intonation, and also concatenate an accuracy of the fundamental frequency through the 5 LEDs above the display. This way, musicians playing in real time can resort to using their peripheral vision to determine their intonation.
Hi, my name is Alex Eklund, and I'm in charge of the power subsystem and the printed circuit board that integrates all other subsystems on the device. The power system's main responsibility is to be able to provide accurate power to each other subsystem implemented on it. The device is powered by a conventional 9-volt battery, and a basic power switch turns the device on and off. Power flows to 3 Traco power buck converters, stepping down the voltage to 5 volts, utilized by the microcontroller and display, 3.3 volts, utilized by the buttons and ADC, and 1.8 volts, utilized by the LEDs.
The FFT tuner is a musician's all-in-one musical aid device. Our device has already grabbed the attention of many supporters at the most recent Texas Music Education Association convention. Many musicians have expressed their desire for a standalone device like the FFT tuner on the market.
We thank you for your time in viewing our presentation of the fast Fourier transform tuner. We are Team Tuners. Thanks. Gig 'em.